Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I have put my other washi on the middle lines, and now I'm gonna start putting my stickers. First, I'm gonna stick my coffee sticker on because I like to have my coffee every day, but mostly Mondays I go out and get it. So we're gonna do. Oops. Okay, got that one. We're gonna also do the email one. And my email is done on Wednesdays. And the way I like to do it is I write email right on it. I do check every day, but I just skim through them during the week. And I don't have no birthdays this week, so, and no appointments, so, let's see. Okay, we're gonna put to do here. To do over here. Because this is gonna be, I have a long to-do list, so I'm gonna put the most important ones down below here, and then let me see, my shopping list is next. So we're gonna get this sticker here, and put that here. Then family day here. A family dinner. And I'm gonna put slay on Fridays, meaning get everything done by the weekend. Okay. I can't find family dinner. Oh boy. Well, I got this one. I have this one here that's gonna do. And then I'm gonna put a relax sticker on it. Here we go. Then I need a shopping cart for here. Uh-oh. I don't have a shopping cart sticker out. So I'll add that on after I get off. Unless, oh, I got a little shopping cart. Yes. My little shopping cart is here. They're all different sizes, so I have some that's bigger stickers and some that's smaller stickers. Uh, And then on the back, I put uh a don't forget sticker if I can find it. If I have it here, and I do. So we have our don't forget sticker. Whoops. I'm going to put that here. See, I print them on one side so I can add to the back. Then I have a plans for over here. This is going to be my plans section. And then we have write it down. I need the hello weekend, so I'm going to put that on my hand. Here's the write it down sticker. And then pencil it in. And that one's a really cute little sticker. Oh, here's all my shopping carts. And I need the pencil it in. Pencil this in, it says. And that goes down here. Now we're going to put the hello weekend over here. There. And we need a Friday, a yay sticker for Friday. Yay, it's Friday, you know. And here's one right here. And I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to take day off and put Friday. See? And, I think, oh, no, that's the next one. Okay. I have no birthdays, no appointments, no nothing. I think this one we can call it finito. Yeah, we're going to call this one done. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to get notified as to when I do a video, when I upload, when I do a premiere, or when I go live. There's 3 different things now. Okay? So hit that bell button and hit that for the notifications and hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And also, I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy planning on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and stay kind, stay calm, stay warm. I know it's wintertime, and stay healthy. See you in the next video. And on the flip side, bye-bye.